In this video, I'll show you how to post multiple pictures in one single Instagram post. So to do that, go on your profile, tap on the small plus button on the top right corner, choose Feed Post, and now you'll have your gallery appearing here. Let's say I want to post these 4 pictures in the same post because they're all about the same thing. All you have to do is keep pressed on one, and you'll see that all of them will have a small circle on the top right corner. Now you need to choose in what order you want them to appear to your viewers. So let's say I want this one to be the number 2, this one the number 3, and finally this one to be the number 4. If you want to modify it, you just need to click on the number, like so, and it will remove it. You can remove and start again. Let's say this is the new order you prefer. Once you're done, you simply click on the arrow like usual. And now you can choose filters for every pictures. Let's say this one, you want this filter. You approve it. You go to the next one. Let's say this one, you prefer this filter. Click on the check mark, and you can modify them separately. Okay, whatever. You click on this small arrow like I did, and as usual, you'll need to write a caption, tag people, add a location. You do all this, and when you're done, let's say something here, you just tap the top right corner, and they will be posted. It may take a few more seconds than usual since, well, there are more pictures than usual. But they should appear. Here we go. They appear here. And your viewer will be able to see all the pictures in the same post. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give us a like if this video helped you.